Okay, well, I'm a little mad because earlier today I was trying to make a video of me just getting random cars to honk at me that were driving down my road, and I made like 30 videos of it, and I got 3 people to honk at me. I was going nuts up there trying to get people to honk at me. Obviously, these people have something better to do with their lives than take a half second out of their driving time, not even that, to honk at a little kid to make his day. I went home and cried. That's it, I'm done. I'm walking home right now. I'm done. This is stupid. Idiots won't pause. You know what? Tomorrow I'm coming up here with a sign, and it's gonna say something like honk. So, you know, something that might make them go beep beep. No, I'm joking. I really didn't cry. But there's this like old lady that like wouldn't honk at me. I was just like, come on, honk, and she waves. Like, just watch this. I hope this guy's nice because it's a pickup truck. It's red. Anyone with a red pickup truck has to honk. I will marry you. Come on. Oh, no! You don't wave! You don't wave! Stupid old lady. Darn it! That old lady walks, like, drives by and she's just like, hey. I'm just like, no, you honk. You don't go, hey. That's stupid. It's for old people. Yeah, just when you thought that old ladies couldn't get any more mean. Stupid. Yeah, but I got this really cool white van to honk at me. That was pretty cool. Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah! 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 Oh! Yeah! Oh! I sure. I mean, well, yeah. If you saw a kid on the side of the road just like honk, you'd think he was like on drugs or something, because it's weird. I'm clean, and I'm slightly weird, but I was having fun, and if you can't take like a half second out of your day to make mine, you're pretty sad, you're self-centered, and you're just a flat-out jerk.
Feels like the end of the world. What happened to peace here on earth? Never gets better.
I'm done. This is stupid.
It feels like the end of.
Not to diss on that old lady or anything. You were cute out there. If you're watching this, you're cute. Don't get me wrong. No, I'm joking. Old people can't be cute. That's just gross. Well, anyway, it's like 10:30 at night, and I'm going to bed. So, I want you to watch this video. By the way, once I get 100 views, I'm going to make my other video, and it's going to be super massively amazing and stuff. But first, do you guys want to see something cool? When I snap my fingers, I'm going to turn into a white and black outline. Bam! I'm back in color again. Watch this, I'll go black and white. Oh, I'm in black and white now. There is no color on me whatsoever. What now? I'm back in color. You guys are loving these graphics, aren't you? Yeah. Well, anyways, please rate and comment on this video. I need you to!